Hi, here in this video, I am going to demo how to install Node.js in Windows 10 operating system. Here I am opening Google Chrome and search Node.js. Search for Node.js. You can see nodejs.org website. Here you can see download option. Since I am using Windows operating system, I am going to choose this Windows MSI installer 64-bit. Now download is complete. Double click on the installer. Click on next. Accept the terms and conditions. I'm going with the default location. Click next. Click next. Click next. Install. Completed the Node.js setup. Click on finish. Now Node has installed in this laptop. If you want to check whether it is installed or not, open a command prompt. Type node. We'll get this particular node interactive shell. Here in this terminal, we can type JavaScript commands. Let a equal to 10. Type a, we'll get the value of a. So things are working fine. I hope you got some idea about how to install Node.js. Thanks for watching this.